Absolutely. RESORCE, which is the randomized trial of regorafenib versus placebo in the second-line setting in patients who progressed on sorafenib and received either the regorafenib or the placebo, has been reported already in the Lancet just on January 7, 2017. And now we are getting one more opportunity to listen to this important data. Bottom line is the median survival for the regorafenib was close to 11 months versus about close to 8 months for the placebo. Clinically and statistically significant. There have been some doubts kind of, brought up into the question how long patients have been on sorafenib, how long they've been between sorafenib and regorafenib, and all of this has been really clarified and well delineated in the Lancet, and I'm sure we're going to hear it at the meeting as well. Very specifically, patients' median time on sorafenib was close to 7 months, which is really a very long period of time, really assuring us that this is not a continuation of sorafenib per se. Number two is the median time between the sorafenib stoppage and the start of the regorafenib was only 28 days. Again, tells us that we are not really hyper-selecting for any patient population. It's very important to note that regorafenib and sorafenib might appear the same, but they are really different. There's certain mechanistic differences in regard to what kinases they are hitting. Nonetheless, I think this definitely remains with a lot of basic science questions about why this did work, and we're going to be probably as a HCC community busy with this question for a long period of time. Nonetheless, I think the data is quite intriguing and robust, and no doubt I would not be surprised that regorafenib will be actually ultimately approved by the FDA.